Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get free wishing stars as well as the Mermaid Attractor and I think fertilizers too. So every single week Heartopia gives us codes. So this week it is this code, but last week's code I think is still redeemable. So if you go to settings, redeem code, I'm just going to paste this code and press redeem. So I got it and I got wishing stars and fertilizer as well as the Mermaid Attractor. You only get 5 though, but it's still a good way to get some wishing stars and Mermaid Attractors for free. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Again, it comes out every single Monday, like on their Discord. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.